Hey guys, in today's video is basically for colorful braids. So most of the braids you'll be seeing here is gonna be a mixture of jumbo and more of the medium size braids, but I have a whole lot of them, the knotless braids. So the color combination is what really made me fall in love with this compilation video today. I decided to do it. So imagine combining blue, pink and black all together. And I also love this one, brown and the white gold. It's a beautiful combination. And also you're going to see how some of the stylists were able to like combine colors in between braid extension like the previous one you saw, and also the length of the braids. They are so beautiful and elegant. Please don't forget that this video is basically for educational purpose, is to give you styles ideas. So if you've been trying to like combine colors together and you're not sure which one goes with which, I think this video is best for you to look around, and definitely before you watch this video till the end, you'll definitely see a color combinations that you actually want. Yeah, so I love the color combinations and the extensions. Like this one you see now, wine, gold, champagne gold, and a bit of black. So the combination is perfect. And also combining colors together depends on your skin tones, because not all color combination goes with all skin tones. So you have to be mindful of any color you feel like you like in this video. You have to have a look at the model skin tone, if actually it's same with yours. Yeah, because it has a whole lot of role to play on this. Yeah, but majority of the model here, they have this caramel skin tone. So because that's the common skin tone that you see among ladies out there. And this is another beautiful color that I so much love, this red wine. Yeah, I love how the stylist was able to coil the tip. I think coiling the tip of your extension is a style that is in vogue now, because I have friends, about 5 of my friends, that braid their hair, but 4 of them, they coil the tip of their hair. So like I said in one of my video, coiling the tip of your extension has depends on the stylist. Some stylists, their finishing touch at the tip of your hair, it's so gorgeous and elegant. So but why some it's not really so perfect, so to kind of like hide that imperfection, some clients may just opt for, okay, coil the tip of my hair. Yeah, so but why some clients just decide, okay, I want to go for this style. So you just depending on these two scenario that you end up seeing some people having this braid with the tip being coiled. Yeah, so guys, at this point I'm going to leave you to watch this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, because your subscription is very important. And also don't forget, this is for educational purposes, to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. And we'll see you at the end of this video. Try to watch this video to the end. I always have a message for all my subscribers, my viewers, at the end of each video. Thank you. So thank you guys for watching my video down to this stage. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Yes, your thumbs up is so much important. And also let me know on the comment section what you love about this video, the styles you love, and why you like the style. If there's any other of my video that you've always loved the style and you've not commented on my channel, this is the best time for you to comment. Yes, if you're a stylist, you want me to showcase you in my channel, so my channel is there for you. I will do this for free. Yes guys, I'll do it for free. Don't forget that this channel is this video is for educational purpose. Is to give you styles ideas for you to rock that special occasion. So if you are I won't say lazy, if you so worked out, you're the busy type and you feel like it's so tiring for you to source out your own style, because it can be so confusing when you go out on the internet looking for styles. There's so many thousands of styles out there, so you need to streamline your search. So that is where my channel comes in, to help you streamline your search. And I hope you love this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Bye bye.